yan.
It's happy now, right? So is this all about your ex?
No.
Is it about now? Because you're happy now?
It's about when we broke up.
Also,
Yeah, so it's about your ex too.
Yeah.
you were happy when you broke up?
Kasi everything's about during that time because I learned how to write songs when kami. So, medyo lahat ganun.
Okay.
Pero yung mga more recent compositions, hindi mo.
Alright.
So about other girls and other compositions. But anyway, guys, here's Happy Now by Lee. Give it up for him.
Tell them about our criteria.
Okay, so the criteria for judging: musicality 40%, marketability 20%, composition 40% for a total of 100%.
So if ever we choose you for recording, would you be available on Wednesdays?
Yeah, but what time?
Around this time, 1 to 4 p.m.
Yeah, probably good. But I'm starting a job next week, I think. It's by accident, so I didn't really want it. It just came.
Because usually the recordings and the photo shoots and
Will be on
everything
Wednesdays.
Yeah, I
are
skip
scheduled
for
for
this.
Wednesdays.
Okay.
I skip for this, I skip.
So somebody from A&R will
contact
be
you.
in touch with you
Yeah.
next week.
Next week.
siguro. So
After.
just wait for it. If ever you get chosen, there's more of us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Lee.
Thanks.
How do you feel?
Hi, thanks.
After performing?
Medyo relieving. After performing. Kasi tapos na eh.
Okay, thank you. Wait lang.
Econ.
He's in his second year, but we're of the same age. Masabi na
Chris Aquino daw eh.
Okay, so you're...
Bakit kaya?
Kasi bata pa ako.
Uy.
Yes, I reiterate.
Si Mikael ay merong dalawang compositions for today. Una, Bagong Pangako. So, can you give us a brief background? Ano ba? Paglaban. Sige. So, konting kwento naman dyan about yung paglaban.
Ipaglaban ko.
Ayoko kasi gamitin yung word na political yung kanta.
Okay.
Gusto kong gamitin yung word na makabayan. Kasi pag namin yung word political namin ang halang meanings. Pero gusto, it's more of talking to your kapwa kababayan.
Kapwa kababayan.
Yeah.
That's like so fun yung
That's so profound.
Tight shot ah.
Alright, so...
with with this song Ipaglaban, again guys, here's Mikael.
Mga karapatan ng tao ipaglaban. Ang mga karapatan ng tao ipaglaban. Ang mga karapatan ng tao ipaglaban. Ang mga
What's your girl ako today?
Very,
Very part na yun ng aking job.
Yan, so yun yung Ipaglaban. Nga, medyo nationalistic na yung kanta. Some sort of...
Medyo na, di masyado.
Hindi masyado, pero it's nice actually. Judge. Anyway.
Okay, so moving on. Ang next song mo, Bagong
Bagong Pangako. So ano namang, paano mo i-describe yung Bagong Pangako?
tungkol sa ano, yari, may couple, break up sila, tapos sabi niya, bago sila magkabalikan, sabi niya, ngayon meron na akong bagong pangako.
Nice. So parang bagong pangako, para sa bagong simula.
Alright.
Ayan. So,
Bakit parang nakaka-relate ka?
eh ganun eh.
Okay.
Start of something new. Anyway. Shut up, Dad. Anyway, here's Mikael again with Bagong Pangako.
Tayo, pero aminin ko, naaakit pa rin kahit pa paano. Alam mo ba?
Marketability and 40% composition.
So if ever you get chosen to be a part of the album, pwede ka ba on Wednesdays, during Wednesdays? Talaga? So kasi yun yung work. Nga naman. So Wednesdays are free for you. Anyway, somebody from VANR